Welcome back to AutoMatrix. Today, we're unveiling something that doesn't just redefine heavy-duty engineering. It completely obliterates it. This is the 2026 Caterpillar COLOSSUS 10X10, the most brutal heavy-duty beast ever built. And when we say brutal, we mean unapologetically overbuilt, mechanically dominant, terrain-destroying power. Imagine a machine designed without compromise, no concern for parking spaces, no concern for city roads, no concern for fuel economy, just pure capability. The Colossus stretches nearly 46 feet long and stands over 14 feet tall. 5 massive axles support 10 military-grade off-road tires. And yes, this is a true 10x10 drivetrain. All 10 wheels receive power, not part-time, not selective, full-time controlled torque distribution. This isn't all-wheel drive, this is total terrain authority. At the heart of the Colossus sits an 18-liter twin-turbocharged Caterpillar industrial diesel engine, producing over 1,200 horsepower and an earth-twisting 3,500 lb-ft of torque. That's the kind of torque used to move mountains. Literally. Paired to a reinforced 12-speed heavy-duty automatic transmission and a multi-stage transfer case, power is distributed evenly across 5 locking differentials. Each axle can articulate independently thanks to Caterpillar's adaptive hydraulic suspension system, allowing the Colossus to maintain traction even when 3 or 4 wheels are suspended in the air. This machine doesn't struggle over terrain. It dominates it. Mud fields become playgrounds. Rock formations become staircases. Deep snow becomes irrelevant. Sand dunes feel like asphalt. The approach angle is extreme. The departure angle is aggressive. Ground clearance exceeds 20 inches, and optional central tire inflation allows the driver to adjust pressure on the fly, from rock crawling to high-speed desert travel, without stepping outside. But the Colossus isn't just about power. It's about endurance. Built on a reinforced high-tensile steel ladder frame chassis with cross-member bracing designed for industrial stress loads, the structural integrity of this 10x10 platform allows it to carry payloads exceeding 60,000 pounds. That's not a typo. 60,000 pounds. Whether it's heavy machinery, armored modules, expedition equipment, drilling systems, or recovery gear, the Colossus carries it without hesitation. Now let's step inside. Because despite its industrial DNA, the 2026 Colossus introduces a cabin unlike anything Caterpillar has ever produced. You climb up via reinforced hydraulic steps into a high-elevation command cabin wrapped in panoramic ballistic-grade glass. Visibility is commanding, elevated, dominant. The dashboard is a fusion of rugged industrial switches and advanced digital interface technology. A 24-inch central touchscreen controls terrain modes, differential locks, suspension height, torque distribution monitoring, tire pressure, engine diagnostics, and satellite navigation. Yes, satellite navigation. Because this machine is designed to operate where cell towers don't exist. The seats are shock-absorbing, air-suspended command chairs wrapped in heavy-duty stitched leather. They're heated, ventilated, and built to withstand vibration over thousands of miles of brutal terrain. Noise insulation has been engineered specifically to counteract the massive diesel engine beneath the hood. Even at full throttle, the cabin remains surprisingly composed, though you never forget what you're driving. Behind the main cockpit lies a modular utility section. This is where the Colossus transforms depending on its mission. It can be configured as a mobile command center with communication arrays and workstation desks. It can become a disaster response unit with medical equipment and storage compartments. It can be outfitted as a heavy recovery platform with winch systems rated at over 50,000 pounds of pulling force. Speaking of winches, the front-mounted industrial recovery winch is powered directly off the engine's torque system. It's capable of pulling other heavy trucks out of mud pits or hauling massive loads up steep grades. This vehicle doesn't need rescue. It performs the rescue. Fuel capacity is equally outrageous. Dual reinforced tanks allow for extended range operation exceeding 1,000 miles depending on load. For extreme missions, auxiliary tank systems can be integrated, pushing operational range even further. Cooling systems are industrial grade. Massive front-mounted intercoolers and reinforced radiator systems ensure the engine performs even in scorching desert heat or freezing Arctic conditions. And let's talk protection. The Colossus can be ordered with optional armored plating, integrated into the body panels. Undercarriage shielding protects vital components from debris and explosive hazards in industrial or conflict environments. Reinforced steel bumpers and recovery points are welded directly into the chassis structure. This isn't cosmetic toughness. This is operational durability. Despite its size, the Colossus features advanced steering assistance across multiple axles, dramatically reducing turning radius for a vehicle of this scale. Rear axle steering allows maneuverability that defies its dimensions. Cameras surround the vehicle, providing 360-degree visual awareness displayed across multiple cabin screens. Blind spots are virtually eliminated. At night, adaptive LED floodlights mounted along the roofline illuminate entire work zones. Infrared night vision systems are available for extreme low visibility operations. Now here's where it becomes truly impressive. The Colossus 10X10 incorporates Caterpillar's AI-assisted terrain prediction system. Using forward-mounted terrain, scanners and wheel load sensors, the system analyzes ground composition in real time and adjusts torque, suspension articulation, and throttle mapping before the driver even reacts. It's proactive engineering, not reactive. And when you combine 1,200 horsepower, 3,500 lb-ft of torque, 5 locking differentials, adaptive hydraulic suspension, 10 powered wheels, and industrial AI terrain control, you don't just get a truck, you get a mechanical titan. 0 to 60? That's not the point. Pulling an 80,000-pound load uphill through loose gravel? That's where it shines? Crossing flood zones during disaster response? No hesitation. Hauling drilling equipment into remote oil fields? No problem. Climbing uneven quarry terrain, carrying tons of material? Effortless. The 2026 Caterpillar Colossus 10X10 isn't built for comfort commuting. It's built for the harshest environments on Earth. And yet, despite its brutality, there's something mesmerizing about it. The sound of the diesel under load, the sight of 10 tires moving in perfect synchronization, the suspension flexing as it crawls over obstacles. It feels unstoppable. This is the kind of machine that changes industries. That redefines what heavy-duty capability means. That makes everything else look underprepared. And while pricing hasn't been officially announced, experts estimate the Colossus platform could exceed several $1 million depending on configuration. Because this isn't mass production, this is specialized engineering at its peak. It's a vehicle for corporations, governments, industrial giants, and extreme operators who need more than just strength. They need dominance. The 2026 Caterpillar Colossus 10X10 is not practical. It's not subtle. It's not designed to impress your neighbors. It's designed to conquer environments where failure is not an option. And in a world that keeps pushing further into extreme terrain, deeper into remote exploration, and harder into industrial expansion. Machines like this aren't excessive. They're necessary. This isn't just heavy duty. This is ultra duty. This is engineered brutality. This is the 2026 Caterpillar COLOSSUS 10x10. And here on AutoMatrix, we call it the king of mechanical giants.